Have you heard of Habitat before? So we build homes for people that are in need. It's 2 weeks and we have walls up, we have floors in. You don't need any experience whatsoever. All you gotta do is show up.
The Habitat for Humanity Homecoming house build, a lot of prep work goes into it beforehand. We do it every single year. This is our 32nd year and our 33rd house. I am the co-fundraising chair. We help out during the build, getting people checked in, signing their waivers. We also plan different fundraising events themselves.
As long as this is right. If this is right, then that's okay. Or this.
As long as we got the floor.
Played Division I field hockey at my previous university. After getting too many concussions, decided it was best not to play the sport. That led me here to Clemson. It was definitely a little nerve-wracking once I realized that I was going to transfer. The people here were so welcoming and there were so many different opportunities to get plugged into. Coming into Habitat really just helped give me the friends that I know I'm going to have for the rest of my life. Furthering my relationships with other students and other organizations helped just make me feel even more at home.
Jacob, do you need help with anything?
More in.
As a civil engineering student, I'm not doing the typical route. I was looking for a creative inquiry class. Ever since I was young, I knew I wanted to do project management. I came across Kirk's class and it was about affordable housing.
At the end of the slide deck, I've got pictures of last year's homecoming build. So that's the process of getting the walls built. And then if we got time at the end, we can reflect back at the 3D model.
Finding different ways to create an easier homecoming build and make it better and faster and more cost efficient for everyone. That's kind of what we do in our creative inquiry research. So by doing this creative inquiry, I feel like it's enabled me to learn more about what construction is, what goes into construction, what the construction site is like, and it's just really helped me to apply a hands-on learning experience to what I actually want to do in the future.
What do you think? Get these plants inside, then work on the lighting?
Coming in. I grew up around construction. My dad worked in it, he built hospitals. It kind of made me fall in love with the industry. I'm a construction science and management major here at Clemson. Richard is one of the smartest professors I've met. So his class is a workshop. We built the stairs for this Habitat build. He doesn't want to tell you everything because he believes that you need to fail to learn. In class, they talk about the build and they want us to get involved. I think it wouldn't spin when I put the spacer on after the blade. Okay. As much as we learn in our textbooks and from our professors' lectures, until you get out in the real world and put it together, you don't know everything. You're going to learn more from messing up and be able to grow from that as a person.
Is there anything in here somebody can do?
Paint on all of the lines. It's a clear paint. There's a lot over here that still need to be done. Right after I had just gotten to Clemson, I had a professor that took the entire class out to the build that year, and I just fell in love. As the homecoming coordinator, I'm in charge of all of those construction things that go into the home. Pull this to the end and just wrap it around the corner. We build the house here on Bowman Field in about 10 days. The things that you see out here are not gonna happen without the executive board for our club. Abigail, she's an incredibly hard worker. I would say she's my best friend.
Jacob is my fiance. We got engaged in April, actually on our ring ceremony day, so I got 2 rings at once. He isn't usually the type of person to get involved, but being at Clemson and being a part of the CSM department, there's been so many opportunities that have kind of broken him out of his shell.
Our 2023 home partner, Shayna, to see her so filled with joy, that's definitely the reason why we do it. Being able to do things like this together and be able to grow together has been an incredible experience.
It's definitely been a highlight getting to experience this together and know that we're helping someone in the community.
I think it's an important Clemson tradition because it brings the community together. You're giving back to somebody that's in need by building this home.
Housing affects everyone in our community. Seeing all the volunteers that came up, regardless of their major, I think it's just a great way to serve the community and be involved.
Get involved, give it all that you have. This has a massive impact on the community and the people around you, and there's a lot of other organizations that do as well. It's a massive change in someone's life.